In the world of mysterious stones and hidden treasures, there are some finds that simply leave you speechless. What you're looking at right now might be one of those rare discoveries. This stone is unlike anything I've come across. It has a smooth, white outer crust as if it was protected by nature itself for centuries. And inside, a stunning honey-colored transparency, almost like molten gold trapped inside glass. But that's not all. When I tested its surface, I was shocked by how hard and solid it was. This thing could easily scratch glass. It doesn't crumble, it doesn't break, it fights back. So what is this thing? Is it a rare form of quartz? Could it be a type of agate with unique mineral inclusions? Or maybe, just maybe, it's something much more exotic, a piece of a meteorite or a crystal born deep within the Earth's molten heart. In this video, I'll take you through my discovery. We'll perform live tests, scratch tests, acid reactions, and light analysis. And I'll walk you through how I found it, where, and what makes it so incredibly mysterious. Make sure to stay till the end, because I'm going to show you something that might blow your mind. Is this just a beautiful stone? Or is it a hidden natural gem worth thousands of dollars? Drop a comment with your guesses, and let's dive deep into this geological mystery together. Subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who loves crystals, geology, or the thrill of discovery. Let's crack the mystery one layer at a time.